Hello students, I am Yashwant Singh from Sangram School. I am teaching here maths. We were already study about the real number. It is the combination of rational and irrational number, and we can also say that all the numbers which is known or which is used in maths, that is called real number. Now let us discuss about E. Euclid's division lemma. First of all, let us discuss about E. Euclid's division lemma. First of all, E. Euclid's is the name, and division, I think you better understand about division. And lemma is a proven statement. It is a proven statement which is used to prove another statement. Now, I think you think about division. How can I divide two numbers? And what is its algorithm? Everybody knows about dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here, on the basis of this E. Euclid's division, on the basis of this E. Euclid's division lemma, use here A and B. If A and B are two positive integers, such that A greater than B, they must satisfy A is equals to BQ plus R, where A and B are these two numbers and Q is the quotient and R is the remainder, where R is greater or equal than 0. R is greater or equal than 0 and it is smaller than B. R is greater or equal than 0 and it is smaller than B. I think when we take an example like 75 divided by 8. See the performance of its division, like 75 divided by 8. 8, we read a table of 8, it becomes 8 9 are 72. 8 9 are 72. And here when we subtract it, 3. Now, we can see here when you divide 75 by 8, 8 9 are 72 and subtract 72 from 75, 3 becomes its remainder. You see here, 3 is smaller than 8. And take many examples. On the basis of this, you can see remainder is always smaller than B. It becomes 0 and it becomes also greater than 0, but it is always smaller than B. Stop.